few hours.
Oh, bako!
Wala. What's your name? What's your name? Aba, sabi Milo, what's your name? What's your name, Milo?
My name is Jegong di makabuntis tulo lang. May talap-talap na barangay na magbubugan street.
Why do you name? Why do you name?
Barangay tayo magbubugan street.
How old are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Tangan niya, tangan Gulo!
What's the name of your father? What's the name of your father? What's the name of your mother?
Ha?
The name of your mother?
Ha?
The name of your mother?
Gabriel lang.
What is your ambition in life?
I believe I can fly.
Ambition, hindi motto. Tanga.
Anong kaya niya? Bakit ang usap? Sinan?
Hindi ko nga rin kilala na.
What happened to you after high school life? What happened to you after high school?
Sige. Sige.
Oy. What happened to you after high school?
Wala.
Who is your greatest crush?
SummerAngel@yahoo.com. SummerAngel@yahoo.com.
Who is your greatest crush?
Dati.
Hindi mo ako ha?
Sige.
Sige.
Tama na.